stranger room here, and I've got my dog Louis. He's on the couch and he snores. It's really funny. Yeah. So that's my dog Louis, and I'll see you next time.